Understanding the Burn-Down Chart. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's often used in project management: the Burn-Down Chart. This tool is not just about numbers and graphs, it's a story of a project's journey. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about project management concepts, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery of the Burn-Down Chart together. A burn-down chart is a graphical representation showing the amount of work left to do versus time. It's commonly used in agile project management, particularly in software development. Imagine a graph where the vertical axis represents the remaining work, and the horizontal axis represents time. As the project progresses, the line on the chart burns down to zero, indicating the completion of tasks. The burn-down chart comprises several key elements. The y-axis, vertical, represents the amount of work remaining, often in hours or story points. The x-axis, horizontal, represents time, usually in days. The ideal line, a straight line from the starting point of the work to the end date. It represents the ideal progress rate. The actual line, this line shows the real-time progress of the project. It fluctuates based on how the team performs. Reading a burn-down chart is straightforward. If the actual line is above the ideal line, the team is behind schedule. If it's below, they are ahead of schedule. If both lines meet at the end point, it signifies the successful and timely completion of the project. Why are burn-down charts crucial? They provide a visual representation of the project's progress, help in identifying potential delays early, encourage transparent communication among team members, assist in resource allocation and planning. And that's a wrap on burn-down charts. These charts are more than just tools. They're narratives of a project's path to success. By understanding and using them effectively, teams can ensure timely and efficient project completion. I hope this video has shed some light on the subject and will be helpful in your journey. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and don't forget to subscribe for updates. Happy learning!